Ty, do you have a key?
So last night when we were...
But could I eat sweets all day?
Oh, excuse me again. Put a toe in the
Wer hat denn getrunken? Ich habe gesagt, hör auf zu ziehen, ich zieh das ab.
Whoa!
Found out.
Bullshit. We ain't doing that around here.
So I'm gonna say, go watch that movie.
One more burger.
Hold on, boys. Hurt y'all.
Gone.
Just gotta keep this pace up. Halfway there.
Oh my gosh! Okay.
What's up, guys? It's a beautiful day. I think it's a perfect time to be chugging some beers.
Chocolate milk?
Yeah, I can't do that. I got phone.
Bad.
Couple size.
Have a good day, guys. Love y'all. Cheers. Let's drink. Cheers, let's drink. Cheers. Cheers, rugby.
second. Here's a second.
Happy birthday, brother. I know it's late. Cheers. Let's drink. Cheers. Cheers.
Crazy. Look at it. Nino, lizard tongue. Nino. Oh.
Só vez por chegou porque eu tô bem. Ok, falta só gole. Taste the honey?
Everything.
That's fancy.
It's very fast.
No.
Very hoppy.
Tastes like oranges. You guys getting oranges?
I was gonna say lemon.
Tastes like Pac-Man's asshole.
Definitely citrusy as fuck.
I don't know what the color says on it.
clove.
It's clove. Yeah.
Is it good?
I like it.
Rich mahogany. These are very, very bitter sometimes.
Yeah, well.
Pretty good. What's it to say? It's gold in a can.
It goes down smooth. And it feels smooth.
I
shotgun it with a steak. A pairing, yeah, I would say shotgun with a steak.
Yep. Honestly, I bought 15 pack of it and it was like fucking $15. Wow. It does taste like this peach.
Your mouth at the bottom of the gutter.
Exactly.
It's very foamy. I feel like I just slammed a pot of coffee. Fuck.
Alright.
Coffee just a little cold.
Honestly, it's
Overwhelming raspberry.
Woo! It's a cream ale though. So it definitely has it's like a red,
It does taste like a normal. Like
but definitely find you some because it's delicious. Oh, dude.
fantastic, even better the second time around. Cold bitch too doing nothing. Why not round? Three.
Black hole.
Excuse me.
Non?
Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Ouais, on peut continuer là. Mon gars.
What's that?